Hey everyone, it's again Alivetru and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Vsafrique brand where I get to share about my behind the scene, about my craft and business. For those of you who do not know me or what I do here on this channel, I am into craft, right? I make fashion accessories like what I'm wearing, this on my head, and every other kind of fashion accessories. But for my own kind of business, or what I really do, I actually focus on using Afrocentric materials, right? Like raftan, Ankara, Kente, Ashioke, and the rest of them to create my accessories. This particular channel was created for the purpose of sharing with the world, teaching and empowering other persons. I know that people who want to learn my kind of business, they want to go into fashion accessories making, but sometimes they don't have guide. This channel serves as a guide for those who want to learn online without getting to meet a physical tutor or pay a particular amount of money to get their fashion accessories done. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. If you're an old face, you are my real MVP. You're the reason why I'm still here. You're the reason why I got monetized. You're the reason why I'm still creating content. And if you're a new face, hey, you're welcome, besties. Welcome to this channel. So going forward, right, I am going to be committing to ensuring that I deliver my best when it comes to crafts. If you check my previous videos, you will notice that I have been doing a whole lot, from showing lifestyle to showing behind the scenes to showing cooking videos. All that is going to be taking a pause for the meantime because I really want to focus on creating craft content that you are going to benefit from. So if it sounds like something that you love, right, that you would like to learn and grow with me, just please go ahead and hit the subscribe button, right? And I'm going to be ensuring that we do this together. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button, leave a comment, watch my previous videos. They are really helpful and insightful. For people who have been able to watch my videos, they sometimes leave comments. Some even chat me up, informing me that they want to, learn some more. So please, if you know that craft is something you love or you something you want to make a business out of, I am that person that you can trust. Go ahead and hit the comment. Um, Go ahead and hit the subscribe button and let's get started. And oh yes, if you want to get exclusive privileges, like getting informed about when I make a new video, getting informed about when I make a particular kind of bag, because sincerely on this channel is not all the bag patterns that I know that I'll be sharing here. There are some that I can always share, but there's some others that some of them are my own invention that I will only share to my members only. So if you would like to do my members only, please go ahead and hit on the members only option, and you're able to get the different perks that you can pick from. They are not expensive, very affordable. Just go ahead and hit on the perks and get to join my membership. For now, I'm hoping to see you in my next video. Thank you so much and bye for now.